Numbers in English. There are two main types of numbers. There are cardinal numbers, 1, 2, etc., usually used for counting, and there are ordinal numbers, first, second, etc., used for putting things in sequence, in order. Cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are normally used when you count things. For example, I have 2 brothers. There are 31 days in January. To give your age, I am 33 years old. My sister is 27 years old. To give your telephone number, our phone number is 263 3847 or 481 2240. To give years, for example, she was born in 1975. America was discovered in 1492. Notice how we divide the year into parts. This is the form for year up to 1999. For the year 2000 and on, we say 2000, 2001, 2002, etc. But before 1999, we say 19 and 99. Ordinal numbers. You can normally create ordinal numbers by adding th to the end of a cardinal number. Ordinal numbers are normally used when you give the date. For example, my birthday is on the 27th of January. 27th of January. Putting things in a sequence or order. Liverpool came second in the Football League last year. To give the floor of a building. His office is on the 10th floor. To have birthdays. He had a huge party for his 21st birthday. Cardinal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and so on. Continues with 20 plus the number in front. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and then you continue with adding a normal number, 101, 102, 200, 300, and so on, 1000, 1 million, 10 million, and so on. Instead of saying 100, you can say 100. For example, 127 or 127 are the same. The same rule works with 1000. 1,000 or 1,000,000, a million. Notice that you need to use a hyphen when you write the numbers between 21 and 99. With long numbers, we usually divide them into groups of 3, which are divided by a comma. For example, 5 million is normally written as 5, 000, 000. Ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and continues with th, 30th, 40th, 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th, 90th, 100th, 101 is not used with th. You write with th, but you say 101st, 200th, 300th, 1000th, 10 millionth, and so on. The number 0, we usually say 0 for the number 0, but when we give our telephone number, we often say O, like the name of the letter O. For example, 505 1023 equals 5051023. Fractions and decimals. We use ordinal numbers at the end position to talk about fractions. For example, a half, a third, 2/3, a quarter or a fourth, 3/4 or 3/4, a fifth, 2/5, a sixth, 5/6, a seventh, an eighth, a tenth, 7/10, a 17th, 47/100ths of a 100th or a 1000th. Notice that for a fourth, you can say a quarter or a fourth. If we have a whole number with a fraction, we use the word and between the two parts. For example, 2 and 3/5. For parts of whole numbers, we use a decimal point, not a comma. For example, 2.5, we write 2.5. If there is more than one number after the decimal point, we say each number individually, separately. For example, 3,456.789. The exception to this rule is when we are talking about dollars or pounds and cents or pennies. Example, $21.95 or £21.95. Here you don't have to use the and, it is your choice.